The Indian Army is likely to designate the 155mm 52 caliber Advanced Towed Artillery Gun System as the Amogh Howitzer. India will showcase its hypersonic long-range anti-ship missile at the 77th Republic Day Parade in 2026. The Indian Navy has started inducting 10 DRDO male remotely piloted aircraft, significantly boosting maritime intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities. Turkey is in advanced talks to join a Saudi Arabia-Pakistan Mutual Defense Pact that treats an attack on one member as an attack on all, similar to NATO's Article 5. Under the framework, Saudi Arabia will provide financial power, Pakistan will bring nuclear weapons and manpower, while Turkey will contribute a mature defense industry. BEML has won an order to design, develop and supply 20 high-power 1,500 horsepower engines for main battle tanks, marking a major step in strengthening India's indigenous armored vehicle propulsion capability. The Indian Army has launched a digital platform, which will compress logistics cycle and provide near real-time asset visibility across the entire logistic ecosystem, equipping commanders with integrated dashboards and exception alerts that will help to make informed decisions. India's Ministry of Defence has directed major public shipyards to expand capacity and adopt faster modular construction to push exports of Indian-built warships. The plan targets Southeast Asia, Africa and Latin America with lower-cost frigates, corvettes and destroyers, as Indian warships are 30 to 40% cheaper than European rivals due to 90% indigenous content, while still offering advanced weapon systems such as BrahMos, modern radars and integrated combat management systems. DRDO's Defense Research and Development Laboratory has successfully completed a long-duration ground test of its full-scale actively cooled Scramjet combustor for over 12 minutes at the Scramjet Connect Pipe Test Facility. This test validates India's hypersonic cruise missile engine, which uses air-breathing Scramjet technology to sustain speeds at Mach 8 for extended periods. At such hypersonic speeds, the missile can travel 1,500 to 2,000 kilometers in 12 minutes, leaving almost no time for interception or decision-making by the adversaries. After the front fuselage and rear fuselage, the Aeronautical Development Agency has now issued a statement of work to manufacture a test bulkhead frame for India's AMCA, marking a key step in validating indigenous fifth-generation airframe manufacturing. This bulkhead is a critical load-bearing structure that will hold the AMCA airframe together. According to latest media reports, the Indian Air Force is moving closer to a major 114 Rafale deal under a government-to-government framework, bypassing the long-delayed MRFA tender. French President Emmanuel Macron is set to visit India next month, and reports indicate that broad agreement has already been reached for 114 Rafales to be manufactured in India by a subsidiary of Dassault Aviation, with the Indian line also planned as a future export hub for Rafale fighters. The Indian Air Force will receive 90 Rafale F4 and 24 next-generation Rafale F5 variants. The F4 brings upgraded sensors, connectivity, electronic warfare and new weapons, while the F5 will later add advanced networking, manned-unmanned teaming and deep strike capabilities. Even with fast tracking, at least 3 years will be needed before the first made-in-India Rafale is rolled out, due to workforce training, facility upgrades, supply chain creation and vendor certification. The CEO of Russia's Rostec Corporation has said that Russia's Su-57 fifth-generation fighter has successfully evaded enemy radars and electronic warfare systems during operations over Ukraine, saying that Russian pilots are satisfied with its performance in contested airspace. He also stated that Moscow has offered deep transfer of technology package, covering design to avionics integration and production tooling. Russia is actively courting India as the second export customer for the Su-57 after Algeria, with Moscow offering not just aircraft sales, but domestic production in India under a deep transfer of technology package, covering design, source code access and local weapons integration. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.